Okay, we are doing a short on this Gourmia, or ever how you pronounce this, air fryer. We have gotten it out. 4-quart. Got the user manual, got the warning labels, the help column to help, the recipe book, the warning, user manual. We'll check out the user manual. I'm going to do a longer horizontal. I was planning on cooking something this morning, but I don't know whether we will or not yet. We'll have to go through this user manual and see how difficult it is to get set up the first time. Open Sesame. See what's in there. And this one was from Walmart, $49 or $50, $49.95.